Me asking that question is kind of like the nurse asking, so do you want a tetanus shot? Because you know it's good for you, but you really don't want it because it's painful. Yeah, the nurse actually asked me that. Like the other day I was at the doctor's like, do you want a tetanus shot? I was like, no. She goes, well, you're going to get one anyway. And so I snuck out before she could give it to me. I did. That's horrible. Okay, now, we should be very familiar with these problems. First thing I need you to do is do the very first step, which is to do what, folks? Factor. Go for it. I'm not going to have enough room over here. So factoring, these should be kind of apparent to us at this step. At this point, this is a difference of squares. X minus 3, x plus 3. Did you get that?
Yes.
Fantastic. The other one is 7 on the top, 12 on the bottom. Of a diamond problem, no extra step.
Yes.
So we should be getting
3 and 4.
X plus 3.
both positive?
Yes.
Okay. Now at this point, there was no grouping to make squares. That's okay. What we want to find out is what is the LCD. So go ahead and do that at this point right now. Hopefully you've done that now. The first term or the first factor that I'm seeing is x plus 3. Give me some other factors that I need.
X plus 4.
Good. Somebody else? What was that?
X minus 3.
Perfect. Were you able to find the LCD? Good. Okay. I'm going to double check it. Does it have the x plus 3? Yeah. X plus 4? Yeah. X minus 3? Yeah, it already had the x plus 3. We don't need a square up here because we didn't have two of the same factors on the same fraction. Here we did. Here we don't. They're different. Okay, now, after you find the LCD, use that to make your equivalent expression. So if you haven't done that, do that now. On the left fraction, we're missing the x minus 3. On the right fraction, we're missing the x plus 4. Of course, we have the common denominator, so what I'm going to do is write this appropriately with a 2x times x minus 3. I am not going to distribute this yet. What I'm going to do is write this as one fraction. Before I do that, because that minus sign, that is going to distribute. My LCD doesn't change. I'm going to distribute, combine like terms, and then we're going to be done. So distributing, hopefully you've done this already, you have the 2x squared minus
6x.
Good. And then we're going to have minus 3x squared minus 12x. Did you make it that far?
Yes.
Especially the minus 12x. You have that. Good. The last step we're going to have to do here is combine some like terms. and then write our fraction over again. So if we combine like terms, how many x squareds am I left with?
-1.
Negative x squared. And? What?
-18x.
Okay. If you have plus 6x, that sign's wrong. If you have minus 6x, you've done your math wrong. You should have negative or minus 18x on your paper right there. That's about as good as we can do. We could try to factor that out. If you tried to factor, you'd factor a negative x. You'd get x plus 18, but that's not going to simplify. So you're done. How many people made it that far, or at least feel good about that? Good, good, good.